Upgrade your Wi-Fi performance. Upgrade your computer up to 1300 megabits per second Wi-Fi AC or 600 megabits per second Wi-Fi N to surf, game, and stream 4K HD video. Prior to installation, please ensure Windows is up to date, then follow the quick installation guide to install the latest driver. Increase your Wi-Fi coverage. A high-power radio with detachable high-gain antennas increase Wi-Fi coverage. 2. 4 GHz, 5 GHz, 4x5 dBi, max. Dual-band external, detachable. Beamforming. Beamforming increases real-time performance by directing stronger wireless signals to each device's specific location. Compatible operating systems. The AC1900 USB Adapter is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. Windows 10, 8, 1, 8, 7, Vista, XP, and Mac OS X. 6 to 10. 13. Top reviews from the United States. Working great. Started right up, following simple instructions in the box. I had bought a Dell Vostro, which had a defective Wi-Fi card. After many hours of tech support, they couldn't figure it out. They replaced it with the same problem. So I got this from TRENDnet and it works great. And so simple. Picking up 5G to 4G signal without any problem.